First up, let's address the elephant in the room: travel and food. These two go hand in hand, and it's often the local cuisine that gives us a real taste of the places we visit. But does savoring these flavors mean you have to splurge? Absolutely not. Take street food, for example. It's a culinary adventure waiting to happen. From the bustling night markets of Asia to the food trucks of North America, street food offers a delicious and often inexpensive way to dive into local cuisine. It's authentic, it's fresh, and it's right there on the street corner, ready to tickle your taste buds. But what if you're the kind of person who prefers a home-cooked meal? Well, you're in luck. Even when you're miles away from your kitchen, you can still whip up a simple yet satisfying meal. All it takes is a little planning and creativity. Pack a portable stove and some basic utensils, and you're good to go. Local markets are treasure troves of fresh produce and local ingredients, perfect for a quick and easy meal on the go. Now, eating out at restaurants is another story. It can be a bit trickier to keep costs low, but it's not impossible. Consider dining at off-peak hours to take advantage of discounts and special offers. Share dishes with your travel companions to try a bit of everything without ordering too much. And remember, water is your friend. Opting for tap water over pricey drinks can save a surprising amount in the long run. And there you have it. Eating well while traveling doesn't have to cost a fortune. Whether you're a fan of street food, love to cook your own meals, or enjoy the occasional restaurant splurge, there are ways to keep your stomach and your wallet happy. Before we wrap up, remember this channel is more than just a source of travel tips. It's a community of travelers just like you. So feel free to share your own budget-friendly dining tips in the comment section. Who knows? Your advice might just make someone's next trip more delicious and affordable. In summary, eating well on a budget while traveling comes down to exploring local street food, cooking simple meals on the go, and being smart about dining out. So, the next time you pack your bags for an adventure, don't forget to pack these tips too. Happy travels and bon appetit!